Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.